Hi, I'm Brett, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to control or set the state of the user LED on mioDAQ. So there's a one LED that is not user controllable. It's the power state LED, but the other one on the other side of mioDAQ, you have control of. Now, it doesn't work like a digital line. It's not a write digital high or digital low, and it turns on or off. There are multiple states that you can set on mioDAQ to control that light. And they are controlled through what's called the System Config API. In LabVIEW, if you right-click, go to the Measurement I/O palette, there you can see the system configuration VIs that you can use to control the state of that LED. Now, in this case, I have an example to show, and I'm going to drop a link to this example code right below the video. But let's open it up, and you can see that we are opening up a reference to this machine. There's a local host, and then we're using some property nodes to filter out the devices that we're looking for and set the LED state. So the front panel on this actually has an enum with all of the different options, and it's basically green, yellow, red, blinking, or solid, or you can turn it off. So with this VI, I can choose blinking red if I want. This is called device 1, but of course you can dynamically pull the system to whatever devices are connected. And so I've said, hey, device 1, start blinking red, and should see it blinking red right there. I'll do another one just to change things up. Let's do solid yellow. And now you should be able to see that the mioDAQ LED is a solid yellow. So with this simple example program and the System Config API, you can control the state of the user LED on mioDAQ.